Now walk here.
Wait a minute now. Now, let me introduce this man. This is Berry, the greatest racehorse commentator.
And now racehorse, you know?
Not racehorse, by mistake.
But really,
Liquor commentator.
Many.
All right, Berry. Your time.
It broke not so well, you know. I come in so well right now. But 5 furlong is the distance. And the starter and the rostrum. Flag in his hand. And he waved the flag and let them go. Feel a level break indeed. Early on the far side is Red Stripe Bear. Heineken down in second position. Dragon Stout third. And wide of that one is Guinness on the far side. Then behind them is Touch of Brandy. Then come Campari on the far outside. And the rest of them tight the bunch now they come down. With a train of left to go now for the 2013 Heineken Trophy. Red Stripe the leader. Heineken on him on the outside. And these are the two up front now they come down without 1.5 left to go. He's Red Stripe on the inside, Heineken on the outside, Touch of Brandy moving well. On the far side, Campari in the middle of the track, it looks to be White and the improved. Then come Vodka, then come Conamin, and the rest of them absolutely behind them is now they come to the 2 furlong marker. Red Stripe right against the rail. Heineken on the outside, Touch of Brandy passing through the pack now is White as they come down for the church run. A 1 furlong left to go now, and it's Red Stripe from Heineken. And White in the middle of the track, and the outside Touch of Brandy coming through, but it's White all the day. Half a furlong left to go, and it's White he begins to pull away from Red Stripe, and it's on the front side, Touch of Brandy and Campari, and brought it back to the studio. Many.
You take him out the door. Hey, you the police. Just explain it.
What is that? Hey, what kind of racehorse you are about?
Big racehorse.